We often romanticize air travel, picturing ourselves soaring above the clouds. But behind the scenes, a dedicated team works tirelessly to make this dream a reality. Among them are the unsung heroes of the tarmac baggage handlers. These individuals ensure our suitcases arrive safely and on time, playing a crucial, often overlooked role in the aviation ecosystem. Their world, a fascinating blend of precision, strength, and unwavering commitment, operates largely out of sight. This is their story. A baggage handler's day is a demanding dance of physical stamina and logistical precision. Their shift begins long before the first rays of dawn, as they prepare for the influx of arriving and departing flights. The air is thick with anticipation as they gather around luggage carousels, ready to spring into action. Their day is a relentless cycle of lifting, sorting, and loading, their movements synchronized with the rhythm of the airport. The arrival of an aircraft signals the start of their intricate ballet. As the plane comes to a halt, baggage handlers swarm around it like worker bees around a hive. Each movement is deliberate, each action coordinated, as they unload suitcases and transfer them onto conveyor belts. These belts snake their way through the airport's underbelly, carrying their precious cargo towards the waiting arms of baggage claim. Inside the terminal, another team works tirelessly, ensuring passengers are reunited with their belongings. They navigate a maze of carousels and carts, their eyes scanning for the right luggage tag amidst the sea of bags. The arrival of a suitcase on the carousel elicits sighs of relief from anxious passengers, a small victory for the baggage handlers who made it happen. The job demands more than just physical strength. It requires a unique blend of dexterity and coordination. Baggage handlers are masters of spatial awareness, fitting suitcases of all shapes and sizes into the aircraft's cargo hold like a giant jigsaw puzzle. They handle heavy bags and awkward cargo with surprising ease. Their movements a testament to years of experience and honed skills. Reading and interpreting luggage tags is another crucial skill. Each tag is a small passport, containing vital information about the bag's journey. Baggage handlers must decipher these codes quickly and accurately, ensuring each piece of luggage is routed correctly. A misplaced digit can lead to a lost bag, a traveler's nightmare that they strive to prevent. Beyond the physical demands, the job requires mental fortitude. Baggage handlers work under immense pressure, facing tight deadlines and the constant need for accuracy. They are the unsung heroes of on-time departures, ensuring passengers reach their destinations without a hitch. Their ability to remain calm and focused amidst the chaos is a testament to their professionalism. The tarmac is a harsh mistress, unforgiving in its extremes. Baggage handlers work in all weather conditions, braving scorching sun, biting winds, and torrential downpours. They are exposed to the elements, their work continuing regardless of the weather's temperament. Yet they persevere, their dedication to their task overriding any discomfort. Winter brings its own set of challenges, as snow and ice transform the tarmac into a treacherous skating rink. Baggage handlers navigate this slippery landscape with caution, their movements measured to avoid accidents. The cold seeps into their bones, but their spirits remain high, fueled by camaraderie and the satisfaction of a job well done. Even in the face of adversity, their commitment to passenger safety remains paramount. They understand that each piece of luggage represents a traveler's belongings, their memories, and their essentials. This responsibility fuels their determination, pushing them to deliver no matter the obstacles. Behind the scenes, baggage handlers play a crucial role in maintaining airport security. They are the first line of defense against potential threats, their watchful eyes scanning for anything suspicious. Each bag that passes through their hands is scrutinized, their training equipping them to identify potential red flags. They work closely with security personnel, alerting them to any concerns. Their vigilance is crucial in maintaining the integrity of the aviation system, ensuring the safety of passengers and crew alike. They understand that their role extends beyond simply handling luggage. It encompasses safeguarding lives. Baggage handlers are also trained to handle dangerous goods safely. They recognize the markings and labels that indicate hazardous materials, handling them with the utmost care and adhering to strict protocols. Their diligence prevents accidents and ensures the safe transport of potentially dangerous items. Time is of the essence in the world of aviation, and baggage handlers operate under constant pressure to meet tight deadlines. Every minute counts, and delays can have a ripple effect, disrupting flight schedules and impacting countless passengers. Their ability to work quickly and efficiently is crucial to maintaining the smooth flow of air traffic. They are masters of logistics, orchestrating the movement of thousands of bags each day. Their work is a carefully choreographed dance, with each movement timed to perfection. They understand that a delayed bag can mean a missed connection, a ruined vacation, or a vital business meeting missed. The pressure is immense, but they handle it with remarkable composure. Their movements are swift but deliberate, their focus unwavering. They are the unseen force that keeps the airport running on schedule, their efforts ensuring that passengers arrive at their destinations on time and with their belongings in tow. Every bag has a story, and baggage handlers are privy to a unique perspective on the lives of travelers. They encounter a diverse range of luggage, from battered backpacks to designer suitcases, each one a silent testament to its owner's journey. They often find themselves imagining the stories behind the bags, wondering about the people and experiences they represent. They've witnessed heartwarming reunions at baggage claim as families embrace after long separations. They've seen the joy on children's faces as they spot their beloved stuffed animals peeking out from the carousel. These moments, though fleeting, remind them of the human impact of their work. But they've also encountered the frustration of lost luggage, witnessing firsthand the stress and inconvenience it causes. They understand the importance of their role in preventing such situations, striving to ensure that every bag reaches its intended destination. Beyond the physical demands and logistical complexities, baggage handling is ultimately a people-centric profession. While their interactions with passengers are limited, they understand that their work directly impacts the travel experience. They take pride in ensuring that every bag is handled with care, treating each piece of luggage as if it were their own. They are the silent guardians of our belongings, ensuring they arrive safely and securely. Their commitment to their work stems from a deep sense of responsibility and a desire to make a difference in the lives of travelers. Though they may not wear uniforms with wings, they are an integral part of the aviation family. Their work is not without its challenges, but they face them head-on, driven by a sense of duty and camaraderie. They find satisfaction in knowing that they play a vital role in connecting people and places, facilitating journeys of all kinds. Despite the crucial role they play, baggage handlers often work in relative obscurity. Their efforts are often taken for granted, their contributions overshadowed by the more visible aspects of air travel. It is easy to forget the hard work and dedication that goes into ensuring our bags arrive safely at our destinations. Yet without them, the seamless operation of air travel would grind to a halt. Their efforts deserve recognition, not just from within the industry, but from the traveling public as well. A simple thank you to a baggage handler can go a long way in acknowledging their hard work and dedication. Next time you travel, take a moment to appreciate the unseen hands that have ensured your luggage arrives safely alongside you. Their work may be behind the scenes, but their impact on our travel experiences is undeniable. The next time you retrieve your luggage from the carousel, take a moment to consider the journey it has taken. From the moment you check it in to the instant it arrives in your hands, it has been in the care of a dedicated team of baggage handlers. They are the unseen force that keeps air travel running smoothly, ensuring we reach our destinations with our belongings intact. Their work may be behind the scenes, but it is essential to the overall travel experience. They are the unsung heroes of aviation, the silent partners in our journeys. So next time you fly, remember the baggage handlers and the vital role they play in making air travel possible. They are the invisible hand of efficiency, working tirelessly to ensure our journeys are as seamless as possible. Their dedication and hard work often go unnoticed, but their contributions are invaluable. Let us not forget the important role they play in keeping the world connected.